Please see the video till the end. Hello children. Today we will start with the first chapter, that is basic concepts in geometry. The first chapter of 6th standard curriculum as far as State Board Maharashtra is concerned. So in this chapter we are going to learn some points. In the first session we are going to see what is a point, what is a line segment, what are lines, what are rays. And then in the next segment of video session we will see what are concurrent lines, point of concurrence, collinear points, non-collinear points, planes, and then parallel lines, intersecting lines. Then that we will see in the next session. But this session we will start with points. Now children, what is a point? Dear children, point is something which is used to show the location, and the point is denoted by just a dot, a tiny dot on a paper or on a blackboard, just a tiny dot. You can draw a point on a paper with the help of your pencil, sharp pencil, or a pen. Just give a small dot. Girls, you draw rangolis. So first what you do, you give the points first, and then you join those points with some lines to make beautiful patterns. So first of all you give points. So these are points. Now I'll draw some points here. Dear children, point is used to show the location or the position of something. We say no, that something is on such and such point. From that point, that object is been shifted to the other point. So point is used to show the location or the position. Now, how to designate the points? Means I want to say that this point. Now you will say that, sir, there are 5 points here on the board. So which point? If I say this point, you will say which point? If I say, come on, that boy, get up. The boys in that group, they will look at each other. Are whom sir actually means to say this? So if I say then, come on, Pawan, get up. Then immediately Pawan knows, yes, sir is telling me, and he will get up on his place. So in the same way, if I want to mention this point, so for that I have to give names to the points. Now how we name the points? We name the points with the help of a capital letters of English alphabet. You can, whatever names you want to give. I have given this point, I have given name A, point B, point X, point Y, point Z. So I have given names to these points. Now I cannot say this point. I'll have to say point X, point Z, or point Y, or point B, or point A. So I have to refer the points by their names. So point is just a dot, is used to show the location or the position, and we name the points with the help of English capital letters. Okay children, now we will see about line segments and lines. Now these 2 points, point A and point B, I have joined with a line. Now children, when I say line, I mean straight line. Always in mathematics, when I say a line means always straight. This is not a line. Now children, can I extend this line towards right side and towards left side? Yes, I can extend. So I'll extend this line on both the sides. First I will extend it on right side. Okay, and that extension I will show it with the help of a arrowhead. Means arrowhead indicates that this line goes on this direction forever, continuously. Now I'll extend this line in the left direction also. This side also I'll give an arrowhead to indicate that this line extend towards the left side also indefinitely. So now children, these are the 2 points on this line. So I can say, I can call it as a segment which is on this line. This is a line, big line. There is no limit for this line, but this is a small part of that line, means segment. Segment means what? Piece. So small piece of this line. I can name this part of this line as segment AB, and in short I write it like this, seg AB, or I can also name it as seg BA. And this is a line. This is the segment. Segment is always having limits. So if I have to draw a segment differently, I will draw it like this. Segment AB or segment BA, and this is a line. I can name this line by these 2 points which are on the line, line AB, or I can also name it as line BA. Any point I can take it either way. So this is a segment and this is a line. Line, it extends limitlessly on both the sides, but whereas segment has 2 endpoints. Segment has 2 endpoints. Now how to name a segment? I told you it is designated in short form as seg AB or seg BA. We can name the segment by its 2 endpoints. And line, while naming a line, we can name a line by any 2 points present on that line. Suppose one third point is there, C, and it is here. So I can name this line as line AC also, line AB also, line CB also, in this way. So a line can be named by any 2 points which are present on that line, or line also can be given a name, a small letter. So this line I can name it as line L also, or I can name it as line M also, line A, B, C, D, but that should be small letter. Remember, this is not a point. This is directly the name of this line. Line A, L, M, whatever it is. Now this is line, say, suppose for example, line M, small letter. So you can name a line by any 2 points which are there on the line, or you can give the line a single name denoting a small letter from the alphabet. So this is about line, segment and lines. Dear viewers, if you feel that this teaching video is useful to you, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please do share it with your friends and relatives who have students in their families. Please feel free to give suggestions and feedback. Do leave a comment for the same. Myself, Mr. Dinesh Kadu for Maths Enjoyment YouTube channel. Have a good time.